In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files via Salesforce Files using Lightning Experience. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your documents effectively within Salesforce. To begin, we're going to navigate to the Files section from your app launcher, which you might be familiar with as the grid icon usually located in the upper left corner of your Salesforce dashboards. You'll want to find and open the Files tab. The app launcher is a handy tool because it serves as a gateway to all the apps you have access to. Once you're in the Files section, this is where we'll start managing your uploads. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to upload your files. Look for the option that says Upload Files. Sometimes you might see Upload Files from Owned by Me. This option is just a way to view and manage files you personally uploaded or own. Once you've clicked on the Upload button, you are ready to select the files you wish to add to Salesforce. This brings us to selecting the files. A window or dialog box will open, allowing you to browse your computer's file system. Here you can navigate through your folders to choose the image or PDF file you want to upload. Take your time to ensure you've selected the correct file, as this will be what gets saved and shared within your Salesforce environment. After you've made your selection, click the Open button. This action begins the upload process and may take a few moments depending on the size of the file and your internet connection. Once the file has finished uploading, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen. This signifies that everything has gone smoothly and your document is now saved within Salesforce. To finalize this process, all you need to do is click Done. This step ensures that your upload is complete and confirms the addition of your file within the system. At this point, your file is appropriately stored and linked to any related records as necessary, ready for you and your team to access or use when needed. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to upload files in Salesforce using Lightning Experience. Mastering this feature will streamline your document management, allowing you to concentrate on the tasks that matter most. By getting comfortable with these steps, you ensure that your files are not only secured in a central location, but also easily accessible for collaboration and reference. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy uploading!